All you'll need is a ratchet with a 10mm socket and maybe a pair of long nose pliers. Firstly, eliminate all power to your washing machine and make sure it's turned off. Now remove the 2 nuts on either side of the washing machine at the bottom. If your washing machine is fairly new, the pin might be tight and a pair of long nose pliers will do the trick whilst gently tapping on top of the pin. There's a tab holding the pin in place. Gently push that down for it to slide out. You'll then be able to remove the leg and you can then repeat the same process on the other leg. To fit the new suspension legs, attach them back to the drum as shown and slide the pin up and back into place. Make sure the leg is secure. If the screw from the leg that goes into the base of the washing machine isn't all the way through, as shown, gently pull down on the suspension leg so the nut has enough to screw onto. Then you can attach the 2 nuts back to the bottom and that's it. Your new drum shock absorber kit is all set to go.